Smart Toy Retail Management System. Welcome to the demonstration of ToyCycle, an online platform where parents can rent, buy, and sell toys in a simple and secure way. The website is designed with an easy-to-use interface that makes browsing, renting, and managing toys effortless for both customers and toy owners. Let's start with the homepage. As soon as users open the website, they are welcomed with a clean and modern landing page. The homepage introduces the main idea of ToyCycle, which is to turn unused toys into value while giving families an affordable way to access quality toys. The navigation bar at the top allows users to browse categories, search for toys, sign in, or list their own toys. As we scroll down, the website explains how the platform works. The process is divided into simple steps, making it easy for new users to understand how they can rent toys, return them after use, or even list their own toys for others. Next, we reach the featured products section. Here, customers can explore different toys displayed with attractive images, rental prices, and important details. The layout is clean and organized, allowing users to compare multiple toys without any confusion. Now let's open a product. The product details page provides everything a customer needs before making a decision. Multiple images are available along with pricing, rental information, product description, and action buttons to rent or purchase the toy. The page is designed to help customers make informed choices with complete confidence. After selecting a product, it is added to the shopping cart. The cart page displays all selected items along with quantities, pricing, and the total amount. Customers can review their order, make changes if needed, and continue to the checkout process. On the checkout page, users enter their delivery address, contact details, and payment information. A complete order summary is shown alongside the form so customers can verify everything before placing the order. The checkout process is simple, secure, and easy to follow. Now let's switch to the owner dashboard. This section is designed for toy owners who want to rent out the products. The dashboard provides quick access to toy listings, bookings, earnings, and account management. Everything is organized in a clear sidebar, making navigation fast and convenient. Next, we open the subscription or pricing section. Here, owners can view different membership plans and choose the one that best fits their business needs. Each plan clearly displays its features and benefits, making comparison easy before upgrading. Moving ahead, we visit the My Toys page. This page displays all toys listed by the owner. From here, owners can add new toys, edit existing listings, manage availability, and keep their inventory updated with just a few clicks. The next section is Analytics and Insights. This dashboard provides valuable business information such as total earnings, completed rentals, active listings, booking statistics, and overall platform performance. These insights help owners understand how their business is growing and make better decisions in the future. Finally, we move to the admin panel. The admin dashboard allows administrators to manage registered owners, monitor platform activity, and oversee the overall system.